My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way.
Dual dish brake. On na natin siya. Long press. Yan, ilaw. Pindutin mo ulit dito. Tapos, pihitin mo pa right. Ito para sa fuel. Ito naman yung para sa seat. Pihitin mo ulit pa right. Tapos, ano natin. Brake at saka sa push button. Ito yung automatic start stop. Ito naman yung hazard. Nakarekta na rin yung ilaw niya. Triple LED light. Hazard. Naka-LED na rin siya dito sa likod. Tapos, dito naman yung high and low. High and low. Flasher. Kusina. Ito yung sa menu niya. Para kapag kasi-set mo sa time, yan. Trip 1, trip 2, battery, oil, gas speed belt. Charging port. Yan, useful yan pagka babiyahe. Ito naman nilalagyan mo ng barya. Pwede rin siguro maliit na pitapa.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, hey!
It's time for the remix.
This is the remix.
The remix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Yeah.
Let's take them back. Say what?
What?
Yes, back in the place once again.
Let's go. Let's go.
Game!
What?